opening verse. Hello, my little dreamer. It's time to rest. But first we'll sing the song we love best. The alphabet lullaby, soft and true, from A to Z, made just for you. A, D. A is for apple, red, round, and sweet. A crunchy snack and a bedtime treat. Can you say A? Say it with me. A is for apple, hanging on a tree. B is for ball, rolling with cheer. Toy bounce it once, it rolls over here. Can you say B? Bounce, 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 like a sleepy puppy with a gentle pounce. C is for cat, who purrs on the rug, curling up close for a bedtime hug. Can you say C? Meow so small, the cat says goodnight to us all. D is for drum, with a quiet beat. Tap, 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 with your little feet. Can you say D? Drum so slow, we're playing softly, ready to go. He. E. E is for elephant, big and kind. He flaps his ears with peace in mind. Can you say E? Deep and long, elephant hums a bedtime song. F is for fish, who swims in streams. He blows tiny bubbles in watery dreams. Can you say F? Swish, swish, swish. Sleepy fish makes a bedtime wish. G is for garden, flowers in bloom. They close their petals to sleep in the gloom. Can you say G? Gentle and slow. Good night, garden. It's time to grow. H is for hat, on your sleepy head. We tuck you in gently, all cozy in bed. Can you say H? Hat so neat, keep your dreams warm and sweet. I, L. I is for ice cream, cold and bright. We'll dream of sprinkles all through the night. Can you say I? Icy treat, sweet dreams taste yummy, soft and sweet. J is for jump, like a kangaroo. But bedtime means less jump, more snooze for you. Can you say J? Jump up high, now gently land with a sigh. K is for kite, flying in the air. It soars with the wind without a care. Can you say K? Up, up, away. We'll fly in dreams where kites can play. L is for lullaby, sung with love, soft as the stars that twinkle above. Can you say L? L is for light, shining softly in the night. PM is for moon, glowing so bright. It whispers softly, good night, good night. Can you say hum with me? Moon as calm as can be. N is for nest, where the birds all sleep, snuggled in feathers, cozy and deep. Can you say N? Nod your head. N is for nest and a soft, warm bed. O is for owl, who says hoo hoo, watching the night with big eyes too. Can you say O? Round like a yawn, owls guard dreams till dawn. P is for pillow, soft and wide. Show, fluff it up, then snuggle inside. Can you say P? Puff, 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 one pillow is never enough. Q, T. Q is for quilt, colorful squares, stitched with stories, patched with cares. Can you say Q? Quiet and neat. The quilt keeps toes warm and sweet. R is for rainbow, arching high. It paints bright dreams across the sky. Can you say R? Roll it slow. Rainbows come after the raindrops go. S is for star, twinkling bright. Joe, guiding us gently through the night. Can you say S? Shh, so clear. Stars say goodnight, we're safe right here. T is for Teddy, cuddly and dear. He hugs away worries, chases off fear. Can you say T? Tuck him tight. Teddy will guard your dreams tonight. UXU is for umbrella, round and tall. It shelters our dreams from raindrops that fall. Can you say U? Up like a dome. Umbrella keeps us safe at home. V is for violin, playing so sweet. Soft, sleepy songs with a gentle beat. Can you say V? V, V, hum low. Violins sing where lullabies go. W is for window, where moonlight peeks. It shines on your dreams, all through the weeks. Can you say W? Wave good night, windows glow with silver light. X is for xylophone, colors so bright. Soft rainbow notes drift into night. Can you say X? Tap, tap, play. X marks the dreams along the way. Yawn, Y is for yawn, oh so wide. A sleepy sign we cannot hide. Can you say Y? Yawn with me, it's time for rest, as you can see. Z is for zebra, stripes black and white. He trots through dreams till morning light. Can you say Z? Zip, zip, zoom, zebra runs into your room of dreams. Closing song, now we sang from A to Z, learning letters, just you and me. Close your eyes, the stars will keep. It's time, my love, to drift to sleep.